Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. Here is your tip in 2 minutes or less of the day. First thing that I like to do, especially if I'm going to go on a trip, I definitely love to check my chain slack because it's just a good rule of thumb that you want to do. You definitely want to get a tape measure so that you can check that, so you can find out what the actual chain slack is. Most people don't really know. So with the tape measure, what you want to do is, a good rule of thumb is basically between your counter shaft and your rear sprocket. Check the distance center to center. Mine's 26. Yours is going to be different. Depends on what bike you got. What you want to do is divide that by 2. That basically puts me at 13 1/4. So I'm going to be somewhere right around here. So what I use is my tape measure. I come to here from the bottom up, and then I check it. You want to check your manual. You want to make sure that you're within spec. Mine happens to be 1 1/4. It's all going to be probably a little bit different, but that's just a good rule of thumb. That way you can check that slack. You don't want it to be super, super dumpy and all that stuff because you want to make sure that you're safe when you're on the road. What you don't want, and I just happen to have another 690 that needs an adjustment right now, it's right over here. And guess what? Look at this thing. It's literally about to fall off. You don't want that. Also, remember my other tip about chain lube and checking that stuff and make sure that your chain's right and tight and light. Guess what? If it doesn't go back into place, what does it need, guys? That's right. It needs lube and it needs to be cleaned. That's your 2-minute tip of the day. Thanks for stopping in. Have a great day.